Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Zoom on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. First of all, search for Zoom in the Windows search bar. And once you see the application, all you need to do is click on uninstall in the right pane. It will take you to the installed apps page and you'll find Zoom Workplace here. Click on the three dots here, select uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. So this is how easy it is to remove the Zoom Workplace, and I recommend this method because this way you will be sure that each and every component has been removed. So if you want to install it again, like let us assume that you installed it in the wrong manner and you wanted to reinstall it. So the best way to reinstall it is from the Microsoft Store. Search for it and go to the Microsoft Store. Now search for Zoom in the Microsoft Store. Go to Zoom Workplace and select install. That is how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.